Let me ask you a question. How much do you think logistic costs impact your business? If you are a small or medium-sized manufacturer, you already know that every rupee spent on transportation and warehousing adds up. But what if I told you that one of India's largest companies, Asian Paints, cracked the code on reducing supply chain costs while boosting profits? Let's dive into this incredible story and see how you can apply these strategies to your businesses. First, let's understand why logistic costs are such a big deal. Imagine your annual revenue is 10 crores. Total logistic costs, including transportation costs and warehousing cost, is 1.2 crores. This means you're spending 12% of your revenue on logistics alone. That's way higher than the global average of 8 to 10%. Reducing this percentage even slightly can have a massive impact on your profits. For example, if you bring it down to 10%, you can save 20 lakhs directly, which goes straight into your profits. Now, this might sound simple, but achieving it requires strategic approach, and that's what exactly Asian Paints have mastered. Asian Paints operates a lean supply chain, unlike traditional distribution model which involves distributors, wholesalers and retailers. Asian Paints works directly with dealers. They have 70,000 plus dealers across the country. By cutting out middlemen, they save commission and reduce costs significantly. But here is a challenge. Dealers do not have enough space to store the stock. But how did Asian Paints ensure the dealers to have stock without overloading? This is where Asian Paints' brilliance shines. They restock their dealers 3 to 4 times a day. Restocking 70,000 dealers multiple times a day. Sounds impossible, right? But Asian Paints makes it happen. And here is how. They map precise demand forecasts for every dealer. They optimize delivery routes to make every trip efficient. And they leverage technology and data to coordinate everything seamlessly. Is this even feasible? Let's break it down with numbers. A delivery vehicle covers 300 kilometers per trip. Average mileage 17 kilometers per liter. So total fuel cost for one trip is rupees 1,650. Each vehicle carries 200 tins of paint. So the cost of delivering one tin is rupees 8.25. Now add 10% for miscellaneous expenses like salaries, tolls, etc. Final cost for per tin is rupees 9. The average price of one tin's price is rupees 20,000. That means the delivery cost is just 0.05% of the tin's price. In the traditional distributor wholesaler model, commission adds up to 25% of the product's costs. In the traditional distributor wholesaler model, profit margin for Asian Paints is 75%, but in the direct to dealer model, the profit margin for Asian Paints is 95%. For a revenue of 25,000 crores, saving an additional of 20% translate to rupees 5,000 crores saved every year. Here are 3 actionable lessons. Measure your logistic costs, cut out middlemen, optimize operations. If they can do it, so can you. Let us know in comments how you are going to save your logistic costs.